Hello friends, today I am going to share you very useful website related to cyber attacks. Using this website, you can see attacks which are happening every second, or I must say fraction of seconds. So let me take you to Google and show you that websites. On browser, just type FAR-I. So what you just do, you can click on this cyber threat map. Okay, now you can see my screen here. It is showing me the time and the attack, number of attack which has happened today. And can you see how these attacks are increasing? So 831, 842, 854, every second so many attacks are happening. And this yellow rectangle is showing what? The country which is doing attack on the other country. So you can see over here China, then Thailand is doing attack on some other country, Algeria is doing attack on Colombia. So you can see attacks which are happening every seconds, or I must say what fraction of second. Here also you can see which country is doing attack on which other country, and here you can see top 5 reported industry in that financial services like your banking, mobile banking, internet banking, or any kind of financial applications or website, whatever you are using. More attacks are happening on financial services. You can see this graph, the attack which are happening on financial services is more as compared to the other industries. Next industry is what? Services and consulting. You can see attacks on services and consulting are also more. Then we have a telecom, we have manufacturing, as well as insurance company. So these are the top industries on which attacks are happening, and this graph is what? Last 30 days graph. So this graph has been made by data of last 30 days. Okay, so this is one of the useful website where you can see the attacks which are happening. I'll show you one more website, how countries are doing cyber attack. This is related to cyber attack, not the other type of attack. So one more is there. Let me show you live cyber threat map. You can search in Google for this, and here you can go for this website, threatmap.checkpoint.com. So let me take you to this website. Again, it is going to show me number of attacks, which type of attack is happening, on which is the top country on which attack is happening. So let me show you from right side. So here you can see top targeted countries, the country which are most targeted country, their name has been given over here, and then top targeted industries. So education, government, communication, they have the highest rate of attacks per organization in the last day. Okay, so this comparison is based on the last day, and here you can see the top malware types of the malicious types of attack which are happening. Botnet, phishing, and worm, they are among the top malware types. Okay, and now here if I show you, this red color is for malware, this purple is phishing, and this yellow color is exploit. So here you can see United States had what? Yellow color, that means exploit or exploitation attack. Here you can see this red color mark, that is malicious or malware attack happening, and as well as you can see country names also. Okay, so attacks related to malware are shown in red color, attacks related to exploitation is shown in yellow color. And now here you can see what? The attacks, the types of attacks. It's going so fast, I am unable to read. Also database protection attack, then Chrome extension download attack, then what is that? Infecting some, I'm unable to read. This phishing attack, and then so the attacks are happening so fast that I'm unable to get also what is the type of attack which is happening. So live cyber threat map, you can use this website to check how the attacks are happening on, or which country is doing what type of attacks, that also you can see. And the statistic of this site is little different than FAR-I. So this is the number which has been shown on this day. So this was all about, you can check how the attacks are happening every second or fraction of second. Useful website, threatmap.checkpoint.com, and another is farright.com. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it now and don't forget to press bell icon. Also hit on the like button and share my channel to your friends also. Thank you friends for watching my video. See you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.